Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When choosing a digital payment platform, understanding the key features and services of Venmo and Wise is crucial. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both Venmo and Wise offer different account types catering to various financial needs. Venmo primarily provides personal accounts for sending and receiving money among friends and family. Wise focuses on personal and business accounts designed for international money transfers. Core functionality. Understanding the core functionalities helps in evaluating each platform. Venmo specializes in peer-to-peer payments within the United States. Users can send and receive money instantly, split bills, and share payments with friends. Wise primarily designed for international money transfers. Wise offers low-cost, transparent transfers at real exchange rates. Currency exchange. Currency exchange capabilities differ significantly between the two platforms. Venmo does not support currency exchange or international payments. It is primarily focused on domestic transactions within the United States. Wise specializes in currency exchange, offering real mid-market exchange rates with low, transparent fees. Speed of transfers. The speed of money transfers can be a deciding factor for many users. Venmo transfers between Venmo users are instant. Standard bank transfers take 1 to 3 business days, while instant transfers to a bank account are typically completed within minutes. Wise international transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, but many transfers are completed within hours, especially in popular currency routes. Domestic transfers are often instant. Security. Robust security measures are vital for safeguarding user funds. Venmo uses encryption to protect user data and offers multi-factor authentication. Users can add a PIN or biometric authentication for additional security. Wise also employs strong encryption and two-factor authentication. Customer support. Effective customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. Venmo offers customer support via in-app chat, email, and a comprehensive help center. Wise provides customer support through email, phone, and live chat. Mobile experience. A user-friendly mobile app is crucial for managing finances on the go. Venmo, the app is highly rated for its social features as users can quickly send and receive money, split bills, and view their payment history in a social feed format. Wise, the app is designed for managing international transfers as it offers real-time exchange rate tracking, transfer status updates, and easy account management. Promotions and bonuses. Introductory offers and bonuses can add value for new users. Venmo occasionally offers promotions such as referral bonuses, where users earn cash for referring friends who sign up and use the service. Wise rarely offers promotions but emphasizes its consistently low fees and transparency as key selling points. Conclusion. Both Venmo and Wise offer unique features tailored to different user needs. Venmo is ideal for domestic, peer-to-peer payments within the U.S., providing a social and convenient way to handle transactions. Wise excels in international money transfers, offering low-cost, transparent services with real exchange rates. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.